politics is a career. In fact, I started mine before I even left the university. So in the university, I was a student politician. I contested all the elections, 1 year, 1 year, 2 years, and that's why I think I came out with a lower grade, because every time I was running for an elective office in the Students' Union. I started from, I contested for secretary, I lost to somebody, then contested for assistant secretary, I won, and then from there, until I left. And therefore continued after I left the civil service. It is a career. Don't get disappointed. Don't get frustrated because you lose an election one time or second time or even third time. On the presidency, this is my third time on the ballot, and on other occasions I never even reached the ballot. So it is a career. It requires perseverance, it requires patience, and I thought I should let you know this if you want to make a career out of it. If not, then if you try once and you feel you can't handle it, move on to another aspect of your life. Again, there is no monopoly of good governance, whether you are young or old. There is no monopoly. You cannot say only young leaders can be good leaders. We have seen young leaders who have failed in leadership. You can't say, like the chairman has said, only old people can be good leaders, because we have seen elderly people who have failed woefully. We are going through one. So, I think it is a matter of training. If you are very well trained, like the chairman said, yes, I admit I have trained all my children. I have trained them, and I have a pattern of behavior which I insist from each and every one of them, or you face discipline.